Welcome to 5 Minutes of Family. We are going to get you set up in FamilySearch.org with either an account or signing you into your account if you have previously been to FamilySearch.org. So go ahead and type in FamilySearch.org in your internet's address bar and we'll go ahead and get started. All right. We are going to get you signed in to FamilySearch.org. So go ahead and get to that website, FamilySearch.org. And this is the front page. So I mean, this picture will change periodically. There's a couple places you can click to sign in here in the middle, create a free account, or create an account up here in the top right corner. If this is your first time ever to FamilySearch.org that you can remember, go ahead and click on Create Account. And we are going to create an account. I'm not going to totally create one because this is, fake. So, hello friend is my name. And to have an account, you need to be at least 13 years old. And this website is owned by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, but you do not need to be a member in order to have access to tons of the data and have your own free account and connect your tree to the community. So if you're not a member, don't click that. If you are, go ahead and click it and it will ask for your church record number. So I'm going to go ahead and continue. Now, this page, you're going to create a username and a password, and you want to remember them because I probably spend 80% of my time helping people who are beginning FamilySearch.org, beginning researching on this website. I spend about 80% of my time helping them remember their password and username. So if you forget, then there's a way to recover it. But if you can just remember it, take a picture of it, click on this show password and then take a picture of it and then email it to someone you trust, or just text it, or put it in your journal, or write it down in a few places. Okay, so you confirm your password. You choose, if you forget, your username and password, which we all do eventually. If you want to recover it, you can either have them text you a code on your phone, or they can email you the recovery process. So choose either one, type in either the number or the email you want them to contact you with, say where you're from, and then if you want to get emails about if they find your ancestors, like they sometimes will have record hints, or they have new features, or they want to highlight different features about your ancestors, they'll email you and tell you about them, kind of promoting the stuff on Family Search. If you don't want to get the extra emails, leave that blank. I think they're interesting. I like them, so I have them come to me. So also, if you want to sign up with Family Search, you need to agree to the terms of use and the privacy notice, and click on that and say create account, and then it'll take you to the opening page, which we're not going to go over in this video, in another one. Okay, so if you already, I'm going to go back to the home screen. If you already have an account on Family Search, just go ahead and try to sign in. Click on sign in. If you have forgotten your username and password, it's okay. Happens all the time. And you can say, I forgot my username, or I forgot my password, and there's different ways that you can recover it. This can keep you signed in for 2 weeks at a time, but otherwise, I just have my computer remember all my passwords. But the website will keep you signed in for 2 weeks, and then you'll have to re-sign in on your own. So go ahead and sign in. Oh, if I meant to say, my picture is hiding it. There's a way to sign in with your LDS account also, and that was in the bottom right corner. If you're a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, you have a username and password for the website. You can go ahead and sign in with your church login. But if you're not a member of the church, that's no big deal. Just sign in with your Family Search login and it'll all work. So this is the dashboard, and we're going to start exploring it. Let's do this.